you look at the book of Acts, there was nobody that had needs. Those that had much and those that had little, but in a healthy biblical way, everybody sharpened everybody. I love the scriptural basis where a debt's got erased every 50 years. The early church, they internalized what they had, the benefits they could help to their neighbors, and everyone was a beneficiary of it.
Essentially what we have, guys, is we have old wineskins. And like your example, Luke, with the cell church thing and the things that went wrong, they're trying to put new wine in an old wineskin. You can't do that. It doesn't work. You have to tear the whole thing down and start from scratch. There's a section that Paul says, if someone is giving a word and someone else has a revelation, the first person is supposed to sit down and let the second person speak. And I think it's awesome that you said last time that you've experienced that even in traditional churches, but by and large, that's not normal. You're going to get scolded by the pastor if you try that one.
If we all came together and the meeting was not about a new sidewalk on the building, but it was about how to free up time for somebody who's been battle tested and is trustworthy, and he has 50 men who can look you in the eye and say, this is a man of God. I've been locking arms with this brother for 18 months. He's fearless. Let's unleash him in California. Let's send him over there. That is a game changer now.